In this video, you'll learn how to use ClickUp for personal productivity. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can start organizing your life right away without feeling overwhelmed. By the end, you'll know how to create a dedicated personal space using lists and how to add tasks that actually reflect what you need to get done. Let's start with the basic idea. In ClickUp, a list is like a container or notebook for related tasks. For personal productivity, you might have a list for your daily life, your side projects, home chores, or anything else you want to keep track of. Creating a new list gives you a clear, focused place where all your personal tasks can live, instead of being scattered across different apps, sticky notes, or your memory. Today, I'll show you how to create a new list for your personal tasks. First, open ClickUp on your computer or mobile device and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, look for the area where your spaces and folders are shown, usually on the left side of the screen. You may already have a personal space, but if you don't, that's fine. You can place your list inside any space that makes sense for you. Now, find the option to create something new. This is often a plus icon or a new button. Click it and choose to create a new list. ClickUp will usually ask you where to place this list. Select the space or folder you want to use, and then give your list a clear, meaningful name. For example, you might call it Personal Tasks, Life Admin, or My To-Dos. The name should instantly remind you what belongs there. Once you've named your list, confirm to create it. At this point, you've built a dedicated home for your personal productivity inside ClickUp. Before adding tasks, take a moment to notice the layout. You'll see an empty list area where tasks will appear, and often different views like list, board, or calendar. For now, stay in the standard list view, so things are simple and easy to read. I'm going to walk you through how to add your personal tasks to this new list. Look for the option to create a new task within the list. This is usually a button labeled New Task, or a plus icon near the list's name, or at the bottom of the task area. Click it and a new task line or window will appear. Start by writing a short, clear task name. For example, pay electricity bill, schedule dentist appointment, or plan weekly meals. Keep each task focused on a single action so it feels manageable. If you want, you can open the task to add more details such as a description, a due date, or any notes you need to remember. Adding a due date is especially helpful for personal productivity because it helps you see what's urgent and what can wait. Repeat this process for each personal task you want to track. Think about the things that usually slip through the cracks: recurring errands, small admin tasks, or personal goals. As you add them, they'll appear in your list, giving you a clear overview of everything in one place. I'll show you the easiest way to keep this useful. Make it a habit to open your personal list at least once a day, add new tasks as they come up, check off what you've completed, and adjust due dates if plans change. Over time, this simple list of personal tasks in ClickUp can become your central hub for staying organized and on top of your life.